Hi guys, this is the Pixar Cars Lover again. So today, it's finally the day I'm gonna review Dan Garcia, which is in this box. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm actually saving it for a review. So yeah. So there are some cars that I still don't have, like Jackson Storm with window bars, Dennis Suarez with window bars, Bruce Miller, which is another rare car. So that means 2 exclusives in this pack, and then Conrad Kemper, which is available in singles right now. So yeah. So let's put these guys aside. Get on with the box. So it's from the new 2018 line. 10 diecast vehicles inside. So it has the typical Cars logo, not Cars 3, because it's from 2018. So I guess I have nothing to say about the package. So let's get this open, shall we? So it opens up like this. It shows this poster, which it shows the characters, which are Ernie Gerson, Chase Racer with window bars, which I know I actually reviewed, but not gonna get all of the cars out. Phil Tankson, Rusty Lightning McQueen, Bruce Miller, Jackson Storm with window bars, Dennis Suarez with window bars. There's Conrad Kemper, by the way, which I did. I actually forgot if I mentioned his name. Jackson Storm and Dan Garcia himself. Let's put this here first. Let's put the poster in there. So yeah, here are all of the cars. I'm not actually gonna get them all, so yeah, I'm just gonna get one of the cars that I actually need. So I need Jackson Storm. These are all in a separate video, and gonna get the boring out first, which is Dennis Suarez with window bars. There's Conrad Kemper. Sorry about the noise, guys. Hopefully there's no scratches or anything. Bruce Miller, which is another exclusive. Then finally himself, and Garcia. It's a bit hard to remove, actually. I mean, most of these cars. So I'll put this back, and then just gonna save the other cars for display then. So yeah. So this is the part 1 of my Dan Garcia review, and then now, so my video will be coming up, which is right now, which is the Storm with window bars, which is a comparison with the original one. That's why it's in the first part of the video. So yeah. So see you there for the comparison of Jackson Storm with window bars. So I'm back with my final video for today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video later, which will be on the cars that I received for this day. I mean, another new cars, a set of new cars. I'm not really sure. So yeah. So here's Dan Garcia himself, by the way. So here he is. The main difference is actually there's no red anymore, like present on the Cars 1 and Cars 3 stock car. Instead, he has dark blue and yellow. Very cool. Very nice, determined expression. So its contingency sponsors are Piston Cup, Combustor Carbon Cyber, and Synergy. Gaskets again on the back. It has rookie stripes. Other side it's pretty much the same. I like the expression too. Comparison with the Cars 3 stock car version, very big difference though. So yeah, I finally have the complete stock car stock the evolution of gaskets. I'm finally happy that. So I guess that's all I can say for this video, folks. I guess see you in the next video, which will be on maybe later or by next week, I believe. So yeah. So I guess see you in the next video, folks. I guess see you in the next video. So I guess see you in the next video, folks. I guess maybe I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video later. So yeah. So bye. This is Disney Pixar Cars Over signing up and peace out.